Covers PH, thank you so much. Shout out, shout out.
Covers PH.
Minsan oo, minsan hindi. Minsan tama, minsan mali. Umaabante, umaatras. Kilos mong namimintas. Kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo, kaya mo pa isigaw, iparating sa mundo. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gusto ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka. Kung maging tayo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Hello po sa mga bago nating ulit. Follow nyo ako guys para sa next live natin. Thank you.
Walang ibang tatanggapin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. May gulo ba sa iyong isipan? Hindi tumasa nararamdaman. Kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo, tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa akong ibigin ka. Kung maging tayo.
Wow, thank you so much Risa sa 500 stars.
Bakit ang iwasan? Sa tuwing lalapit may paalam. Jean, ibangan nyo sa karamihan. Iba rin pag tayo, iba rin pag tayo lang. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa akong ibigin ka. Kung maging tayo, kung maging tayo, kung maging tayo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Wow, thank you so much Josie sa 200 stars. I'm happy request granted. Thank you so much Josie. Love you, thank you. At kay Risa again, Floho sa 500 stars. Thank you.
Thanks
Sana
for
nag-request ka,
watching.
Risa.
A
At kay
like would be
Carmelito,
appreciated.
Tagudar again sa 100.
Subscribe.
Thank you so much po sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Nakakatuwa naman. Thank you so much dahil sa inyo guys. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman gumagana na ang ating PC. Gumagana na ulit dahil sa inyong suporta, dahil sa mga gift na binigay nyo yan. Ayan, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat ulit. And sige, maglalasong na ako guys ha, pero yan nyo, uulitin natin ito sa susunod ulit. Gusto ko pa sanang magtagal pero kailangan po matulog ng maaga. At meron pa akong appointment kinabukasan. Thank you so much po sa mga nanood, sa mga nagstay. Siyempre sa Angels, I love you Angels. Thank you for always supporting and watching. At dahil dyan, kakanta ko kayo ng last song na from Westlife. Ayan. This is Flying Without Wings. Sana maganda tong...
Everybody's looking for that something. One thing that makes it all complete. You find it in the strangest places.
Totoo ba? May nag-request sa TikTok magbibigay daw dragon.
Places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of their children. Some find it in the lover's eyes. Who can deny the joy it brings when you found that special thing? You're flying without wings.
May dragon ba sa TikTok? Kakantahin ko yan.
Some find it cheering every morning. Some in their solitary lives. You find it in the works of others. A simple line can make you laugh or cry. You find it in the deepest friendship, the kind you cherish all your life.
Mag-i-extend pa ako. Sige. I don't wanna miss a thing. Ah, sabi ni Risa, dragon, sige.
You're flying without wings, so impossible as they may seem. You've got to fight for every dream, 'cause who's to know which one you let go would have made you complete. Well, for me it's waking up beside you to watch the sunrise on your face, to know that I can say I love you.
Thank you.
At any given time or place. It's the little things that only I know. Those are the things that make you mine. And it's like flying without wings, 'cause you're my special thing. I'm flying without wings. You're the place my life begins, and you'll be where it ends. I'm flying without wings, and that's the joy you bring. I'm flying without wings.
Oh, that was may nag-message may nag-comment dito. Magpapa-dragon daw pag si ano. Oh, thank you so much Andy Shao, si Risa. Andy Shao sa 10, ano ba to? Ah, ito si Andy from Germany, right? I love listening to you. Thank you Andy, I love you. Josie sa 50 stars at kay Antavio sa another 50 stars. Maraming salamat po. Ano ba yung dragon? Gano'n ba kadak yun? Gano'n ba kadami yun? Mag-extend pa ako last one. I don't wanna miss a thing. Some dragon. Grabe ka naman sa akin, Ana. Yan ba yun? Pero may dragon ba talaga? Kasi pag may ano bang ng dragon? Tingnan ko nga. Makikita ko yun ni dragon. Wala yun. Ano yung dragon? Ba't parang makakita ang dragon? Wait lang, hanapin ko lang. Guys, hindi ko nakikita yung mga comment nyo. Wait lang, hinanap ko yung dragon.